Unveiling, Sour Grapes, A Taste of Idiomatic English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a deliciously interesting English phrase, sour grapes. You might have heard it in conversations or read it in books, but what does it really mean? In this video, we're peeling back the layers to understand where it comes from, how it's used, and why it's such an important expression in English. Get ready for a juicy exploration of language that will surely help you sound more like a native speaker. Sour grapes comes from a classic fable by Aesop titled The Fox and the Grapes. In the story, a fox sees some high-hanging grapes and wishes to eat them. After trying and failing to reach them, he walks away, stating that the grapes are probably sour anyway and not worth eating. This story teaches us about the human tendency to disparage what we cannot obtain. So, when we say someone has sour grapes, we're saying they're like the fox who pretends to despise what he cannot have. It's an accusation of feigned disdain. Sour grapes can be used in different contexts. Let's look at some examples. 1. When a friend doesn't get a job and then claims it wasn't a good position anyway. You could say it's a case of sour grapes. 2. If a player loses a game and later says the game wasn't fair, that's sour grapes, too. The phrase is often used to suggest that someone's criticism or negative attitude comes from jealousy or envy, rather than genuine dislike. Remember, using this phrase correctly can help you convey complex emotions and situations in a simple and direct way. Understanding phrases like sour grapes is key to mastering the English language because idioms reflect cultural context and social commentary. They pack history, humor, and wisdom into a few words, making conversation richer and more colorful. It's important to know when and how to use such expressions to enhance your communication skills and to understand the underlying sentiments in discussions. Idioms can be the difference between a basic conversation and a dynamic, engaging one. And that's the scoop on sour grapes. Next time you hear someone dismissing something a little too quickly after a setback, you'll know exactly what to call it. Use this phrase to add flavor to your conversations and express ideas with finesse. We hope this video has been enlightening and fun. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking with the ease and creativity of a native in no time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.